Welcome to the installation and activation tutorial for iOS for Bible verses and quotes. Allow notifications in your app. These are the 4 steps to install and activate your keyboard. Now tap the quick access button to go to the menu. Wait a few seconds. Now tap keyboards. Now tap allow full access. Then tap allow again. Now swipe back to the app to continue the tutorial. Now, to activate your keyboard, long press the globe icon and select Bible verses and quotes. Now type any Bible reference and tap the magnifier icon. Now, you can open any app and select Bible verses and quotes keyboard by long pressing the globe icon on the bottom left of the screen. This is a great way to share Bible verses on social media, WhatsApp, text messages, etc.